Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, in the last classes we are discussing the exercise 3.4. In that we are discussing the elimination method to solving the pair of linear equations in two variables. So today we are going to discuss the solving the pair of linear equations in cross multiplication method. So this is the third method to solving the pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, in the last classes we are discussing the substitution method and the elimination method. So these two elimination method we are discussed in the previous classes. So this classes we are discussing the cross multiplication method. So this is the another method to solving the pair of linear equations in two variables. Let us discuss exercise 3.5. Directly I will go to the exercise 3.5. The first one, which of the following pairs of linear equations has unique solutions or infinitely many solutions or no solutions? In case there is a unique solution, find using the cross multiplication method. See, they are given the pair of linear equations. In that the pair of linear equations has a unique solutions or a no solutions or a infinitely many solutions. So in case of unique solutions, we have to find out the solutions of the given equations. So unique solutions means a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 are not equal to each other. So that ratios we call it as unique solutions. So let us check it. This is a unique or no or infinitely many solution. Let us check it. So first one, I will go to the question number 1. First question. What is that? X minus of 3y. Before going that, what is cross multiplication method? That is we have to understand first. So cross multiplication, one of the formula is there. That is 1 upon C AB minus of AB. It is equal to x upon bc minus of bc. It is equal to y upon ca minus of ca. Okay. See, I will construct one of the formula. This is 1 and this is 2. This is 2 and this is 1. 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1. Very simple. This is the one of the method or one of the formula to solving the pair of linear equations in two variable in a cross multiplication method. See students, so 1 upon AB minus of AB, you have to write it, and then x upon BC minus of BC and y upon CA minus of CA, you have to write it now. So afterwards we have to what? 1 to 2 1, 1 to 2 1, 1 to 2 1, you have to give it. It is easy to remember to the formula of cross multiplication method. Okay, don't want to buy this formula. Okay, yes, let us start it. I will go to the question number 1. The first one, what is that? X minus of 3y. X minus of 3y. It is equal to x minus of 3y is equal to minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, and then 3x minus of 9y. 3x minus of 9y and then minus 2 is equal to 0. See students, when you are solving the pair of linear equations in cross multiplication method, in an RHS side it becomes equated to 0. If for example x plus 2y is equal to 9, something is there means, so we have to send 9 to the LHS. It is equal to 0. Okay, afterwards we have to apply the cross multiplication formula until you don't want to apply the cross multiplication formula. Okay, see here these pair of linear equations, are they unique solutions or no solutions or infinitely many solutions? In case of unique solutions, we have to find out the x and y value by the cross multiplication method. Let us check it. Is it unique or not? Yes. First of all, a1 is equal to, what is the a1? 1. a2 is equal to minus 3. Sorry. b1 is equal to minus 3 and c1 is equal to minus 3. It is also minus 3. Then a2, come to the a2. This is 3 and b2 is equal to minus 9 and c2 is equal to minus 2. See, this RHS is become 0, correct? Yes. Now a1 by a2. a1 by a2, what is that? 1 by 3, correct? And b1 by b2, it is equal to minus 3 by minus 9. So minus get cancelled, 3 1s are 3 3s are, therefore 1 by 3. Okay, next c1 by c2, it is equal to minus 3y minus 2 minus minus get cancel is equal to 3 by 2. See here, a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 is equal to each other, but c1 by c2 is not equal to each other. Therefore, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but is not equal to c1 by c2. See, in a unique solutions, all are unequal, so not equal to each other. But here, one ratio is equal, another ratio is not equal. Therefore, it is a no solutions. This is no solutions. That's why we are not apply the cross multiplication method to solving the pair of linear equations. In case of only the unique solutions, so this one is not coming. So I will go to the second one. What is the second question? 2x plus y is equal to 5. See, 2x plus 5, y is equal to 5. 2x plus y is equal to 5, and 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y is equal to 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. See students, here in the RHS side is the numerical term is there. This numerical term have to send here to the LHS. So what it happen? So 2x plus y. So plus y if it is coming minus y is equal to 0. Now 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. This is only for cross multiplication method. In a substitution method, in a elimination method, you need not to send or numerical term to the LHS side. Okay. Next. See now a1 by this is a1 by I will directly go to that a1 by a2. What it happen? a1 is 2 by 3. Right. Now b1 by b2. So what is the b1? 1. And b2 is 2, 1 by 2. This is 2 by 3, this is 1 by 2, and c1 by c2. c1 by c2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 8. Minus 5 by minus 8. Therefore, minus get cancelled. Remaining is 5 by 8. Here, students, a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, these values are not equal to each other. Therefore, it is a unique solution. Yes? Okay? a1 by a2, it is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Therefore, it is a unique solution. Unique solution. Okay, students. Now, let us start to the finding the x and y value by the cross multiplication method. So, this is the method to solving the pair of linear equations in two variables by the cross multiplication method. This is the formula to solving the pair of linear equations. Yes, students. I will apply now. So first of all, a1, a2, b1, b2 we know that already. So I will write once again. a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 1, and c1 is equal to minus 5. Now a2 is equal to 3, and b2 is equal to 2, and c2 is equal to minus 8. Okay. Now, yes, friends. First of all, I will substitute that 1 upon a1 b1 is a1 a2 a1 b2 it minus of a2 b1 is equal to x upon b1 bc2 minus of b2 c1 is equal to y upon c1 a2 minus of c2 a1. Okay. So let us start it. So first we have to consider these two ratios. Okay, first we have to substitute that a and a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Yes, a1 means so 1 upon a1. What is the a1? 2. So 2 into what is the b2? So 2 minus of a2 into b1. What is the a2? a2 is 3. 3 into b1 means 1. Okay, it is equal to x upon b1 means 1. 1 into c2 means minus 8. Okay, then minus of b2 means 2 into c1 means minus 5. It is equal to y upon c1 means minus 5 into a2 means 3 minus c2 means minus 8. into A1 means 2. A1 means 2. Now 1 upon, so 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 3. 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3. It is equal to x upon minus 8 and minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Next it is equal to y upon minus into plus minus 5 3s are 15 minus into plus plus minus into minus plus 8 to the 16. Now 1 upon 1 4 minus of 3 is 1. It is equal to x upon minus 8 plus 10. You have to consider it, you have to differentiate, you have to subtract it. 10 minus of 8 will become 2, x by 2 is equal to y upon 16 minus of 15 it will become 1. So we have to consider first this one and this one. So 1 by 1 is nothing but 1 is equal to x by 2. Therefore nothing is 1. We have to cross multiply x into 1. X is equal to 2 into 1, 2. The value of x is 2. So first you have to consider these two. Next you have to consider this one and this one. So 1 by 1 is equal to y by 1. Therefore cross multiply that. Therefore y is equal to what? 1. Understood? The value of x is 2 and value of y is 1. So therefore this is the solutions of pair of linear equations of these equations. X is 2 and y is equal to 1 by the cross multiplication method. Are you understand, students? Very simple cross multiplication method. So this formula, if you know that, easily we have to find it. So are you understood how to write the formula? You don't memorize that. You have to, don't forget that. You have to memory in your mind. So how? So one trick is there. I show now. So 1 upon AB minus of AB, x upon BC minus of BC, y upon CA minus of CA. Afterwards, 1 2 2 1, 1 2 2 1, 1 2 2 1. You have to give the numbers. Then you have to write it. Easily you have to write the cross multiplication method of the formula to solving the pair of linear equations. Okay. Next one. Yes, question number. In that main, third, fourth question is there. You have to solve in your home. Okay. We will go to the directly second main. For which value A and B does the following pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions? Infinitely many solutions means the A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2 are equal to each other. So let us start it. See first what is the A1, B1, C1. Have to write it. So first of all I will write the equation 2x plus 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. So second main, first question, 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. And then a minus b into x, a minus b into x plus a plus b into y, it is equal to a minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. 3a plus b minus 2. Okay. So now these two pair of linear equations has a infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions means a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 are equal to each other. First of all, I will write down the what is a1, a2, c1. a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to a1. This is 2, and b1 is equal to 3, and c1. So we have to send it here. Otherwise, afterwards you have to send here. So 3 is equal to c1 is equal to, so if it is coming is minus 7, so 7 have to come is minus 7, that's why. And then otherwise you have to write it here only because it is become confused. See 2x plus 3y, so 7 if it is coming minus 7 is equal to 0. Afterwards a minus b into x plus a plus b into y. So this is minus of 3a plus b minus of 2 is equal to 0. Now a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3, and c1 is equal to minus 7. Then a2 is equal to a minus b, and c2 is equal to a plus b, and then b2 is c plus 3, and c2 is equal to minus of 3a plus b minus of 2. Now see, these are the infinitely many solutions. Therefore a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 each other because of infinitely many solutions. Many solution. Okay. So now, what is an A1? A1 is 2 upon A2 means A minus B. It is equal to A1 by 2. A2 is A minus B is equal to B1 means 3 whole upon B2 means A plus B is equal to C1 means minus 7 whole upon C2 means minus of 3A plus B minus 2. So minus minus get cancelled. So now, see students, first you have to consider these two equations after these two equations or ratios. First I will consider first and second. So consider first and second ratio. Okay, see, I will consider first two ratio. 2 upon A minus B is equal to 3 upon A plus B. Okay, we have to cross multiply that. So what it become? 3 into A, 3A minus of 3B is equal to 2 into A plus of 2B. Now 3A we have to write here only, minus 2A. Okay, then minus 3B we have to write here only. So minus 2B is equal to 0. What will happen? 3A minus of 2A become A. So A minus of, see, 3A minus of 2A, A minus 3B minus 2B minus 5B is equal to 0. Call it as number 1. Okay. Next, consider first and third ratio. Consider first and third ratio. Okay. So what is that? 2 upon A minus B. 2 upon A minus B, which is equal to, so minus minus get cancelled here. 7 upon 3A plus B minus of 2. 3A plus B minus of 2. Now we have to cross multiply that. 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6A plus 2 into B 2B plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4 is equal to 7PA 7A plus, so minus 7B. So I have to send here 7A minus of 6A, 7A minus of 6A minus 7B, so minus 2B. So afterwards minus 4 if it is coming, plus 4 is equal to 0. See, 7A have to, 7A and 7B I will keep in the RHS side. 6A 2B minus 4 I will send to the RHS side. So 6A become minus 6A plus 2B is become minus 2B, minus 4 is become plus 4. Okay, minus 7B and 7A is as it is I will write down. So 7A minus of 6A will become A. So minus 7B minus 2B will become minus 9B. So plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, 7A minus of 6A is equal to A and 7B minus of 2B is equal to 9B plus of 4 is equal to 0. Now students, this is called as 1 and 2. So solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. Dear students, in the x and y instead of A, B is there. Okay, x instead of A is there, B is y instead of B is there. Okay, and A instead of x is there. Yes, now, so first of all, first and second equations we have to write in the A1, A2, B1, P2. We have to write it this value. So this A1, B1, C1, this is the value of the given equations. So now we have to write the A1, A2 and B1, B2, C1, C2 are the reduced form of the given equations. See, A1 is there, 1 is there, A2 means A2 here, what is the A2? So I will write down B1 first. B1 is equal to minus 5 and C1 is equal to 0. Nothing is there means 0 is there. Afterwards, A2 is equal to, second equation you have to consider it. A2 is 1 and B2. B2 means minus 9 and C2 is plus 4. So now I will write that equation 1 upon AB minus of AB is equal to A upon x instead of A is there. A upon BC minus of BC and B upon B instead of Y is there. Therefore, CA minus of CA. Okay. Now 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. Very simple to write the cross multiplication method formula. Now See students, so first I will substitute now 1 upon A1. What is the A1? 1 into B2. B2 means minus 9 minus of A2 means 1 into B1 means minus 5. Okay, minus 5. So this is 1. It is equal to A means I have to write it A as it is. B1. What is the value of B1? Minus 5 into B1 into C2. What is the C2? C2 is 4. Okay, into. So minus B2 means minus 9 into minus 9 into C1 means 0. It is equal to next B upon C1 means 0. 0 into C1. A2 means 1. 0 into 1 minus of C2 means 4. 4 into A1 means 1. Now 1 upon 9 minus 9 plus into minus minus 9 minus into minus plus 5 plus 5. Okay, next it is equal to A upon minus 20 minus into plus minus 5 over 20. So minus into minus plus 9 into 0 0. So it is equal to B upon 1 into 0 0. So minus 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 0 minus 4. Next. Now you have to consider first and second one. Okay, first you have to reduce it. 1 upon minus 9 plus 5, it becomes minus 4. It is equal to 1 upon minus 4. A upon minus 20. A upon minus 20 and B upon minus 4. Now you have to consider first two ratios. It becomes 1 upon minus 4 is equal to A by minus 20. So you have to cross multiply that. So minus 4 here is equal to minus 20. Minus minus will cancel. A is equal to 4 ones are 4. 5 are A is equal to 5. Okay. Now you have to consider first and third one. 1 upon minus 4 is equal to B upon minus 4. Okay, you have to cross multiply that. So it becomes minus 4B is equal to minus 4. Minus minus get cancel. 4 ones are 4 ones are there. B is equal to 1. The value of A is 5 and value of B is 1. So this is the solutions of the given equations. Understand second one? So in like that, second means second question. This is the find the value of K. In which value of K will the following pair of linear equations have no solutions? No solutions means first and second ratios are equal, third ratio is not equal to each other. Okay, in that we have to substitute in these values A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2. Then you have to find out the K value. Okay, so let us start it. So what is the question? For which value of K will have the following pair of linear equations have no solutions? First one, 3x plus y is equal to 1. 3x plus y is equal to 1 and 2k minus of 1 into x. 2k minus of 1 into x plus 2k minus of 1 into x plus k minus of 1 into y. K minus of 1 into y, it is equal to 2k plus 1. 2k plus 1. First, you don't send here RHS to the RHS to the LHS because of these two pair of linear equations has a no solutions. That's why no solutions means these are no solutions. No solutions. The ratio is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but is not equal to C1 by C2. Yes or no? So first you have to substitute the value of A1 means 3, A2 means 2k minus of 1. It is equal to B1 means 1. B1 means 1, B2 means k minus of 1. Is equal to C1 means 1, C2 means 2k plus 1. Is not equal to each other. So first you have to consider these two terms. Okay. So you have to cross multiply that. So 3 into k, 3k, and otherwise you have to consider once again. One more time you have to write it. 3 upon 2k minus of 1 is equal to 1 upon k minus of 1. Okay. So you have to cross multiply that. So 3k into 3k minus of 2 is equal to 2k minus of 1. This is 1. Okay. Now 3k. So 2k if this means minus 2k. So minus 1 minus 2 will become plus 3. So 3k minus of 2k it become k is equal to minus 1 plus 3 it become 2. 3 minus of 1 is 2. Therefore k value is 2. Very simple. Are you understood? Yes. So now next one. Third one I will go to the question number 3. What is the question number 3? Solve by cross multiplication method and also elimination method. Both method we have to solve it. I will not write here elimination method. So but here I will only solve the cross multiplication method. In the elimination method you have to solve in your home. Okay. So directly I will go to the cross multiplication method. In that third one, correct? Third one, 8x plus 5y, 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. Then 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. Is equal to 4. Okay, students. Here, this is in the RHS side having a numerical term is there. That's why this numerical term I will send to the LHS. It becomes 8x plus 5y. So plus 10 it becomes minus 9 is equal to 0. The second equation 3x plus 2y. So plus 4 it becomes minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. So now you have to write the A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. So A1 I will write down. We know that A1, B1, C1, C2. We know that directly I will write down. I will write the formula first. So 1 upon AB minus of AB is equal to x upon BC minus of BC, it is equal to y upon CA minus of CA. Now 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. Very simple. Yes. Now we have to substitute the value of A1, B1, C1, C2. Yes. What is the A1 here? This equation you have to consider it. This one, not part, this one. So A1 means what? A1 means 8 into B2 means, so this is B2, so this is 2 minus of A2 means this is A2, 3 into, so B1 means this is 5 is equal to x upon B1 means this is 5 into C2 means minus 4 minus of B2 means B2 is 2 into B2, C1 means minus 9. It is equal to y upon C1 means minus 9, C1, A2 means 3 minus of C2 means minus 4 and A1 is 8. Now we have to simplify that. 1 upon 8 2 is 16 minus of 50. It is equal to x upon minus 20 plus into minus 1 5 4 is 20 minus into minus plus 2 9s are 18. It is equal to y upon minus 9 3s are 27 minus into minus plus 4 8s are 32. 8 4s are 32. Now 1 upon 16 minus 15 is equal to x upon minus 20 plus 8 minus 2 is equal to y upon minus 27 plus 32 become 5. Okay. Now we have to equate it to the constant term. So first 1 upon 1 is equal to x upon minus 2. Therefore, you have to cross multiply that x into 1x plus into minus 2. The value of x is minus 2. Like that, 1 upon 1. For first one, third one you have to consider it. 1 upon 1 upon 4 upon y upon 5. 1 upon 1 is equal to y upon 5. So now I have to cross multiply 5 into 1 5 is equal to 5 1 5. Therefore, the value of x is minus 2. The value of y is 5. So like this, we have to solve the pair of linear equations by the cross multiplication method. Okay, students. In the among three methods, so first one you have to learn that substitution method, second one we have to learn the elimination method, this is the cross multiplication method. Among these three methods, so very easiest method is what? Elimination method. Okay, someone we are not understanding the substitution method or elimination method, easily you have to find it. So those are not understand this method, you have to solve in the elimination method. So better, I think better is elimination method to solve in the pair of linear equations. Okay, yes students, in the remaining questions in this exercise we have to discuss in the next classes. Okay, thank you.